7 cute free crochet toys for cats. The Door Hang a Bouncy Cat toy pattern from Lion Brand Yarn is an easy level, beginner plus crochet toy pattern specifically designed for pets. The Goldfish Cat toy pattern is another offering from Lion Brand Yarn, presented as an easy level 2, beginner plus crochet toy pattern. This is a simple and quick free crochet pattern, perfect for making a fun toy for your feline companions. The Easy to Crochet Cat toy pattern, created by Dabbles and Babbles, is a quick and easy crochet project for beginners that results in a cute cat toy. It's a free pattern for a small, amigurumi-style seasick fish. The designer, Natalie, created this pattern for a Ravelry cat toy swap. It's a wonderful project that's both quick to make and has a heartwarming purpose behind it. This free crochet pattern is designed to be a fast and easy cat toy, perfect for whipping up a few for your own furry friends or donating to a local animal shelter. The Toy Mouse for Cats free amigurumi pattern, available from Daisy and Storm, is a crochet project designed specifically for cat toys. Users have found it easy to follow and enjoy filling them with catnip for extra appeal. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.